here come that man again. What up, YouTube.com/Poppin Payton. @post Payton. Follow me. Take over. Take over. I told y'all I was coming for spots. My name PC Payton, by the way. Take over. Take over. Look, I'm the shit. I realized that day I taught this lesbian bitch how to hit a lick. You get it? I'm all about cash, and if you ain't got that, you better blast past real fast and keep going. PC a yellow nigga, that don't mean that you gon' see me slowing. Find a lighter, you might see me blowing, but I don't match no guards with street bow in them. He don't feel him, but she rollin' with him. She say he trippin' again, I say he yo nigga. She say he so different, and he just don't get it. And he in bad shape cause he a square broke nigga. She wanna get high, I said go figure. I broke down on the back while I dope dicked her. Level 3 climax, I had her toes wiggling. She took a nap, I wrote the zag and wrote the song with it. Think I bagged me another nigga's a girlfriend. She had cream, man, but she got her shit creamed, man. She hit me with the text on how she needed another dose. I left her ass fiend, man. I told her, you chasing the paper chasing. Nobody said that type of shit is easy. It's PC. Yeah. I told y'all, @post Payton. Follow me, DM me. Y'all better retweet this after I post this, though. Hey, yo, shout out to the Lakers, too, because they just went to round 2. BRB.